So, at yun na nga, hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video or episode, I am going to review the DJI Osmo Action 3 Adventure Combo that I bought a while ago. As you can see from my previous vlog, na-unbox ko na to guys. So for today's episode, I am going to tell you why I bought this action camera over GoPro Hero and Insta360, and I will tell you why DJI Osmo Action Camera is the best action camera for vlogging in the market. So guys, for me, there are three factors that the DJI Osmo Action Camera stands out from GoPro Hero and the Insta360. So first things first are the accessories that comes with it. So guys, these are the accessories that are included when you buy the adventure combo of the DJI Action Cam. As you can see from my previous vlog, I already unboxed it and explained everything. Like for this one, it includes the 1.5 meters long tripod or selfie stick, and it also includes the two magnetic mount, like it easy to remove and connect to this one. Like even here for the camera, we're going to try it with the tripod. As you can see, just like that. Press these two button something just to remove or detach the camera from the mount. Unlike the GoPro and Insta360 is you still need to use the screw or thread to remove the camera from the tripod. And it also includes battery case and 3 battery inside, and this can also serve as a power bank. The vertical case, this one, like if you want to record videos for your Reels and TikTok, you can put the camera inside and record vertically by also using the mount and put it in your tripod. So the second factor guys that I like about the DJI Osmo Action Cam are the screens. So both screens are touch screens. So the front screen has 1.4 inch display, and the back screen it has 2.25 inch display. And when it comes to the display or screen, as what I have said, both are touchscreen, and you can access every menu in every screen or display. This is the front screen. As you can see, it can also access the option or menu that you want to use for your recording. And the third factor that I like most about this DJI Action Cam is it can detect an external microphone as long as it has a USB Type-C connector, even though it's a third-party external microphone, kahit hindi siya DJI microphone. So I will show you that the DJI can detect an external microphone. All you have to do is remove the cover from the charging port. By doing this, you just have to clip it out, and as you can see, it's USB Type-C. So this is my another extra external mic. The brand of this naman is Muman. I also bought this from Amazon. So all you have to do is plug it in and wait for a moment, and you can see that it detects the microphone. So I already turned on the mic. So test mic 1 2 1 2, test mic 1 2 1 2. So you can see that the microphone icon is moving, so it means it can detect my voice. So this is what I like about this camera. You don't need to buy an extra accessories so that you can use an external microphone.
2,000 years later.
So guys, as you can see, I am outside. I am going to test the quality of this camera with the same settings except the stabilization, like 1080p with 25 frames per second with HDR quality. I'm going to try every stabilization like the Rock Steady Plus, horizontal balance, and horizontal steady. But right now I set it into Rock Steady HDR 1080p 25 frame per seconds, and right now I am using the internal microphone for audio. I hope it will sounds good. And now I will try to run. Okay, so this is like the rock steady stabilization, so I hope it is good, guys. And that's it, the rock steady. I hope you can see like it works really well. And now I'm going to change it into rock steady plus. So guys, right now the frame rate is still the same. I only change the stabilization. It's still always 1080p 25 frame per second and HDR with the rock steady plus stabilization. So as of now I am walking and I'm going to run. So this is it. And I am still using internal microphone as of this moment, so I hope the audio is great. And now guys, I set the stabilization into horizon balance with 25 frame per seconds, 1080p resolution and HDR video quality. Horizontal balance, it means like even though I'm going to tilt the camera into 45-degree angle, the horizon of the video is always be balanced or steady. So I'm going to try it now. The one more time. That's it. And right now I am still using the internal microphone, and as of now I am walking, so I will try to run with the horizon balance. I'll try to tilt it in 45 degrees. So that's it, guys. So guys, right now I change the stabilization into horizon steady with 1080p 25 frame per seconds, and the video quality is HDR. Horizon steady, it means even though you're going to make a 360-degree turn, your horizon will still be balanced. So kahit ikot-ikutin mo yung action cam mo, yung horizon mo is balance pa din. So susubukan natin in 3, 2, 1. So ganyan. So 360 degrees. We're going to try it another one. Echo. So now that was the quality of the video when you set the stabilization into horizontal steady. Kahit ikot-ikutin mo yung video mo, steady pa rin siya. So ngayon naglalakad na ako. I'm going to try to run. So I hope the quality is okay. And as of now, I am still using the internal microphone. So guys, right now I am going to test the audio using an external mic. So as you can see, right now I am using Hapoyer. The brand is Hapoyer. I ordered it in Amazon. It was like 36, I think, or 39 euros. But this is a third party microphone. So what I like about the DJI is it can recognize the microphone without any microphone adapter. So I hope the sound is clear. It's test mic 1 2 1 2, test mic 1 2 1 2. So that's the sound using an external microphone or lapel. So it has USB-C Type-C connector. I hope the quality of the audio is great.
A few moments later.
So guys, just a disclaimer, I'm not an expert when it comes to camera technicalities. So the words that I have said about the DJI is just my own opinion, my point of view about the camera. For me, those are the three factors that makes the DJI Osmo stands out from other action camera. Those are the things that I am looking. Those accessories, the dual touchscreen, and most of all, the big plus is it can detect an external microphone without buying a microphone adapter. That's a big plus for me because I don't need to spend extra money for it. And another thing, the DJI Osmo didn't pay me or influence me to say those words about the camera because like I spend my own money. It came from my own pocket. And I am contented about the DJI Action Cam. So guys, at the end of the day, it's still you have the final decision what kind of camera you're going to buy, what the best camera that suits for you, that suits your needs. So it's your own money and you're going to enjoy it. So for me, DJI is still the best. So guys, as you observe or you see, I tested the camera with HDR 10-bit, 1080p resolution with 25 frame per second only. It is because I'm just using my mobile phone to edit my videos and vlog because as of now, I don't have yet a powerful PC to do those higher resolution videos. So this is the end of the video, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you have comment about my review, comment it down below. And hit the notification bell so that you will be updated when I have a new upload. And until then, see you next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.